company specializes in the production of high-quality wooden windows and doors.
Woodhart Ltd is a joinery company, established in February 2018, by attending the financing of the LEADER program of the Rural Support Plant. We equipped our company with new installation for work. I have been in this field for 20 years and I have collected a lot of experience so far. We work on modern design furniture for using new technology. Our furniture is production for the local market. Currently, we are working on two models, B2B and B2C. Most focus is in B2B, hard work with construction companies. Next step is in B2C, design furniture, what is created directly for the customer, where we realize their wishes and dreams. Our key to success is teamwork that has been proven for a long period to each other, and this team proved its credibility. I have gathered the best masters around me. In cooperation with a Latvian invested agency, we will certify production and we will start the production of window for export to Scandinavia. So far planned production is 100 square meters per month. Valmiera is a center of Vidzeme. The labor has been concentrated here in favor of business. There's a future for business.